In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Bluetooth on Windows 10. Now, whether you're looking to connect a pair of wireless headphones, sync up your Bluetooth keyboard, or simply explore any other Bluetooth device, this guide is going to help you do just that with ease. Let's start with the first step. You want to press the Windows key on your keyboard. This key is usually located at the bottom left of your keyboard and has the distinct Windows logo on it. By pressing this key, you'll open the Start menu, which is your gateway to finding everything on your computer. Once the Start menu is open, you need to type in Bluetooth into the search bar. This search function is incredibly helpful as it allows you to find exactly what you need without having to navigate through numerous settings manually. As you type Bluetooth, you should see search results populate below the search bar. Next, you're looking for an option named Bluetooth and other device settings. When you see it appear in the options list, go ahead and click it. This will open up the Bluetooth settings menu, which is where you can manage all your Bluetooth devices and settings on your Windows 10 computer. Now, once you have this settings window open, the next move is to turn your Bluetooth on. At the top of this window, you'll notice a toggle switch located right next to the word Bluetooth. If the toggle is showing as off, just click it once to switch it to on. Once your Bluetooth is turned on, your computer is now actively searching for devices that you can connect to. You can also use this menu to see a list of devices that have been connected before or are available to pair. And that's it! With these steps, you've successfully enabled Bluetooth on your Windows 10 computer. Now you can go ahead and pair it with any Bluetooth device of your choice, whether it's a headset, a speaker, or any other compatible gadget. Just remember to keep this window open if you're adding a device so you can watch it appear as available to connect. A couple of quick tips: if you're having trouble turning on Bluetooth, ensure that your computer's Bluetooth adapter is working properly. Sometimes a quick restart can help resolve any issues. Additionally, make sure that the device you're trying to connect is in pairing mode and within a reasonable distance from your computer to initiate a connection. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward guide to enabling Bluetooth on your Windows 10 device. I hope you found it useful, and now you can enjoy the convenience of connecting wirelessly to your favorite devices. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.